Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the Windows Remote Desktop not allowing you to save your credentials with the error message that your credentials did not work. Your system administrator does not allow the use of saved credential to log on to the remote computer because its identity is not fully verified. Please enter new credentials. Alright, so without further ado, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer, ay kailangan lang natin i-search dito yung registry editor, and then right click lang tayo, and then next ay select mo lang tong run as administrator. Alright, so bago tayo mag-proceed dito sa registry, I highly suggest to create a backup file so that anything go wrong, you could easily restart. To create a backup, napakasimple lang naman. And then next step ay click mo lang tong file. And then select mo lang dito yung export. And then dito sa export ay kailangan mo lang mag-select dito kung saan mo sisave yung file. And then next ay create yung file name. And then click mo lang tong save. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mag-create ng backup file. Okay, so proceed na tayo. Ang next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung HK local machine. So click mo lang tong arrow na to para mag-expand. And then next ay select mo lang dito yung system. And then dito sa system, kailangan mo lang select dito yung current control set. So click mo lang dito. And then dito sa current control set, click mo lang tong control. So dito sa control ay scroll down and then hanapin natin yung LSE folder. Ito siya. So dito sa LSE folder, so kailangan mo lang mag-double click and then pop up tong kanyang settings. Alright? And the next step ay kailangan mo lang select dito yung disable domains credential. Ito siya. Okay? So dito kailangan mong mag-double click and then pop up itong kanyang edit the word 32-bit value. Okay? In the next step, yung value name, disable domain grades, and then yung value data dapat 0 po siya. Okay? So 0 dapat yan. Kung 1 yan nakalagay, palitan mo ng 0. And then dito sa base, ay select mo lang dito yung hexadecimal. And then click mo lang itong okay. And then next ay close lang tayo. So close tayo dito. And then ang susunod ay kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay? So click mo lang tong restart. Alright? So ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-fix ang Windows Remote Desktop does not save credentials. Alright? So please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.